Hello, how is everyone doing? I'm going to show you how to free up space on Google. Specifically, in popular applications like Drive, Photos, and Gmail. To begin, let's open any application and determine which one is taking up the most space. Tap on our logo and check the message indicating that our storage is running out. To find out where the space is being consumed, tap on Manage Storage. If you don't want to take up Google's offer or don't have the funds, slide the screen to reach the option where you'll see that Google Drive is occupying most of the storage. Let's assume it's Gmail in this case. To free up space, go to the main screen of the Gmail application and tap on Search in Mail. Type the following: large, greater than 10 meters. This will search for all emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes, MB. If you have emails meeting this criteria, long press to select the ones you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. If you have more results, you can simplify the process by selecting all and then tapping on the trash bin icon to delete them. I recommend manually reviewing the emails before selecting all, especially if you have important files. To free up space in Google Photos, open the application and tap on our icon. Then, tap on Storage. If the storage is mostly occupied by photos and videos, we'll proceed to free up space through the web browser. Access your Google account via the web browser and tap on the three dots icon. Look for the Photos application and tap on it. From there, you can select and delete the photos you want. Remember to empty the trash to completely free up the space. For freeing up space in Google Drive, tap on the three lines icon to access the storage and capacity details. Here, you'll see that Google Drive is taking up most of the available storage. To free up space, access your Google account through a web browser and tap on Free Up Space. Sliding the screen will show you the large files taking up space. Make sure you're on the correct account, and if desired, you can change the account by tapping on the profile icon and selecting another one. Then, tap on Review and Free Up Storage to manually select files for deletion, or you can choose to delete everything by tapping on Delete All, followed by the trash bin icon. By doing it through the web version, you can avoid mistakenly deleting important files stored on your phone. That's basically how you can free up space in your Google account, whether it's in Drive, Photos, or Gmail, directly from your mobile device. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Seba from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!